Nice walk. Man, the sun is bright. The sun is bright. Nice walk. I need this. I need this because I need to breathe through my nose. Nose a little stopped up. It's the season. Fall is the season. My allergies get to messing with me. And I'll be staying sick, weather changing. So I'll definitely be needing like a workout or something. Burn this cold out. Open my nose. Yes. It's a good old day. The sun is out and bright and early. Man. Get that daily walk in. Don't let nothing stop you. Get up early. Stretch. Get that daily walk in. It's only how your day will feel a lot better if you get this walk in. A lot better. You gotta be mentally prepared though, especially to stay consistent. And that's what I'm trying to do, stay consistent as I go on my weight loss journey. Yeah, just staying consistent. You'll get there.